welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Kushi, and guys, today's video is complete. I am going to show you something really important that and also want to share something going to give you a very quick update about my classes and all. Tomorrow is my officially it's the last day of a second year, and I will be promoting to the third year soon. Because कल हमें बस last time we are going for the college in second year as a last day of a second year. हमें हमारी class है कल just for 2 hours, and उसके बाद we are not going to have any sort of classes. I have so many things to get done. I will record tomorrow's class as well. So yeah, basically today's video I am talking about my day sheet has already came out. So basically we are going to have our exams from 30th of April, that is from the Wednesday, and we are going exams will be at 9th of May. Like we don't have much break, or like जो preparation वाला break होता है हमें उसमें नहीं मिला है ज़्यादा time. So it's really important. जो भी मेरे पास अभी time बचा है I have to study hard for it. So yes, so मेरी day sheet आ गई है. First thing is this, and second thing is कि right now I am going to sorting out my syllabus, क्योंकि since end sem है and we know कि मेरे पास उतना time नहीं है for the preparation in the middle of it. So I have to prepare a proper plan. First I am going to write down all the date sheet sort of thing, like date sheet जो PDF आई है उसको I am going to write down on a paper, ताकि मेरे पास एक clear understanding रहे. ठीक है, so yes, going to write this first, and उसके बाद I will show you कि how I am going to proceed. तो इसमें जो एंड सेम होता है उसमें हमारे मिड सेम का पार्ट भी आता है एंड एंड सेम भी होता है. सो आई हैव टू लुक ओवर दैट एज वेल कि मेरा कितना पार्ट कंप्लीट है एंड किसका करना है. लाइक लास्ट नाइट आई स्टडीड टिल 4 AM in order to complete my HRM2 subject. I will show you all that as well. So yeah, first let's go and write a date sheet, and I will show you my date sheet as well. Wait, I'm just currently along with all the stuff I'm talking to my best friend as well. Okay, I was showing you my date sheet. Wait, I was showing you my date sheet, sorry. So this is a date sheet for the even semester, which is going to be held from 30th of April to 14th of May, but मेरा exam नहीं है till 14th of May. I am going to end by 9 obviously. So you could see this. These all are the cute quotes that I have written in my diary, but this all again whenever I feel like to write something about, in order to make my mind more calm, I always used to write the stuff. We'll let you know and we'll share this with you all one day. So yes, let's write the day sheet first. This is my date sheet, and now मुझे अपने सिलेबस के लिए भी चेकलिस्ट प्रिपेयर करनी है, विच मीन्स दैट कि मुझे इन ऑर्डर टू चेक वेदर मेरे कौन से जो सब्जेक्ट्स के नोट्स हैं कंप्लीट हैं एंड कौन से के नहीं हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट डाउन एज वेल, सो दैट मेरे एग्जाम से पहले ही 30th of April से पहले ही लाइक मेरा ये टारगेट है कि बाय एनी मीन्स 27th of April तक मुझे सारे नोट्स कंप्लीट करने हैं अपने. एंड देन क्योंकि मेरा जो फर्स्ट एग्जाम है अगेन वो HRM फर्स्ट है, इट मीन्स दैट कि मुझे उसके लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना होगा. दैट्स द ओनली रीजन आई एम डूइंग दिस. सो यस, गोइंग टू मेक अ चेकलिस्ट एंड टेक ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स वन बाय वन एंड विल कवर इट. सो यस, लेट्स डू दिस एज वेल. दोनों चीज़ें डन, लाइक आई एम डन विद बोथ द थिंग्स. First is मेरी date sheet is this, and the checklist for my notes completion is this. And the thing that I want to discuss with you all, that I have already prepared the notes of HRM first. Like last night I've studied till 4:30 AM in the morning. So yes, वो वाला like this subjects is all sorted out already. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to show you the notes as well. I'm going to do. So yes, मेरे HRM2 के जो पेंडिंग नोट्स थे वो ये रहे फ्रॉम हियर. Each and every concept जो भी मेरे पेंडिंग थे I have done already here. So yes guys, this was all about HRM2. Like मेरा one subject is already done. Notes of HRM2 I have prepared, completely prepared हो गए हैं. Now second is I am going to continue with my RM. Like उसमें मेरे 2 major units हैं जो I have to cover. Like I am going to study for it. Like going to start it tonight already. And I know that वो आज complete नहीं हो पाएगा. So yes, I will be doing this for RM for 2 days. Yeah guys, this was it from my side. Like I have even attached the time lapse of the session which I have had after the discussion, and all I would say is that whatever the dream you are chasing, just it is yours for a reason. It's yours for a reason. So stay focused, stay consistent, and study really hard in order to achieve that dream. And I know journey might be slow, but every small step would be count for sure. And you will see ki, when you will achieve that dream ki, and when you start joining the dots from the back, you will see how much hard work you have genuinely put it in, even yourself, even on the hard days as well. And yes, I am praying and I'm rooting for you and for me as well, that one day we'll all achieve what all we are aspire for. And with this, I am signing off. Hope you all have a great time here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yes, bye bye, take care. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.
Forget it, 'cause by the time you get